Welcome everyone to my class. This is Chinmay Parida, primary teacher of Kendriya Vidyalaya Gumla. In this video, we are going to discuss part 2 of the lesson The Lazy Frog, Unit 5 of Marigold Class 5. Earlier in part 1, we have learned recitation, explanation and new words of the poem. In part 2, we are going to do exercises given in the lesson. Watch the video till the end to learn all the things that are in the exercise. Let's go to exercise. Section 1. Let's read. In this section, we are going to do comprehension question and answer. Question number 1. What did the frog do all day? Answer for this question will be Fred the lazy frog slept conveniently all day on a log. Question number 2. Besides lazy, what other word can you think of to describe the frog? Answer is, we can use the words like impolite and stupid for Fred the lazy frog. Question number 3. Complete the sentence with reference to the poem. Question 1. When the frog's mother called him, he pretended to be. Answer is, he pretended to be hard of hearing or he pretended to be deaf. Question 2. When a lady frog hops by, he doesn't even open one eye. Question number 4. Did you like the frog's behavior? No, I don't like the frog's behavior. Let's go to section 2. Section 2. Let's write. In this section, we are going to do sentence making. Refer to the poem and understand. The frog loved to laze and lie around all day. He didn't like to do any work at all. Now, we have to make sentences about ourselves. About yourself means about ourselves. Like we have to write people you like, game you play, a hobby of you, a habit you have. You might use these following clues. We have to use these following clues and write down. A. I love to play. I love to help my mother. B. I like to play cricket on holiday. C. I don't mind washing my clothes. D. I don't like bursting crackers on Diwali. E. I hate telling lies. Now, let's go to section 3. Say aloud. In this section, we are going to do exercise based on rhyming words. Question 1. Add one more matching word to each pair. One has been done for you, like log, frog, dog. Log, frog, dog. Likewise, circ, work. I will put work, circ, work, work, circ, work, work. So what do you mean by work? Work means a stupid person. When, then, rain. When, then, rain. Next, preferring, hearing, cheering. Preferring, hearing, cheering. Hip, keep, dip. Hip, keep, dip. Past, last, fast. Past, last, fast. Way, say, day. Way, say, day. So the third words that we put are rhyming words to the preceding words. What kind of words are they? Obviously, these are rhyming words. These are rhyming words.